Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to download and use OBS Studio on Kali Linux. As you can see, I'm already recording this video on OBS Studio, and let's get to work. So here is just 2 lines of code. Whenever you are installing anything before that, just keep in mind, just update your system and upgrade it. And -y is for the just yes to the question, like it asks you, like it takes some space, it changes the space, like if it upgrades, it will add some files. So you should say -y, or you can just don't write it, and after it asks you can write it yes. So here also, like sudo apt install OBS Studio, we are just installing the OBS Studio, and -y for the question, we're just answering before it asks, like we are just saying yes, I don't care, just install it. Yeah, that's all you're gonna write, like just update your system, upgrade, and install, voila. And yeah, you have OBS Studio here. You can just search it up, you can edit it to a panel and record your videos. You can play with the settings, and you can scale the quality of the videos. If you want a video on how to scale the quality on it, OBS, or if you want my settings, I will kindly share it. Just comment it below if you're interested, so I will make another video about it. So see you guys.